Hi, welcome to Julia's Crafting Space. My name is Julia, and in this video I will show you how to do this Magnolia fall wreath. You will need lots of greenery, magnolia leaves. I'm using the golden leaves, and one large magnolia flower. Starting with this 18-inch grapevine wreath. It's already clean. You can watch one of my previous videos if you want to see how I clean my grapevine. It's really easy and anyone can do it. So this one is a special order for a friend, and she wanted a magnolia fall wreath, and this is what I'm working on today. If you watch one of my videos, I show very detailed the leaves that I'm using. Everything is from Hobby Lobby. I start off with a flower or a large bow when I make my wreaths and use them as a focal point. So it's usually what I place, it's the first thing I place on my wreath, and then just work around it. So let's begin. We're going to glue the magnolia flower into the wreath. And then we're going to continue by gluing all the greenery and the leaves around the wreath. It's going to be a half full type of wreath. So it's going to be on top and on the bottom of the flower. And this magnolia leaf, it's from Hobby Lobby, like I said, and it's from a special fall collection. So it's not all year round. You can only find it during fall. And everything is 50% off right now. The material is very soft. It's like a velvet type of material. So I like to start with the larger leaves first and then work on the smaller things and add the little details and just go with it. So as I'm working on my wreath, I want to say a special thank you for everyone who has been subscribing to my YouTube channel. I hope you love the content. And let me know in the comments below what would you like to see. I will be posting a few fall, Halloween, and I also want to post a how I decorate my dining table. I already have everything, and I will start working on that video really soon. And so I have to work on everything ahead of time so I can post it for you guys. So I'm thinking for Christmas, I will start working on that probably by the end of October. So for a couple weeks, you will be seeing fall tutorials and Halloween. Just to give you guys some ideas on what projects you can do. Also, you can follow me on my socials. I have Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest. I will post a link down below and you can see all my social media. So I will appreciate if you guys follow me, and then you can see all the pictures that I make of my projects. Some of the projects I do, I don't record them just because it gets a little overwhelming with so many things, and it takes time to record and edit and upload these videos. I also make quick TikTok videos. So if you follow me on TikTok, you can see some of the quick videos that I make. So most of what I'm using on this wreath is mostly just greenery, because I want the flower, the magnolia flower and the leaves to be what stands out the most of this wreath. And like I said, this is a custom order for a friend, and I hope she likes it. And also let me know what kind of videos you would like to see. That way I know what you like and start thinking of what I can do to improve this channel. It's slowly growing. I made this channel this year, and I don't know, I thought it was gonna take a little longer for me to get more subscribers. So far it's going good. So I want to say thank you for following and subscribing and liking the videos. I've noticed a lot of people have liked the bow tutorial, so I will be working on making some bow tutorials for you guys and post it here. I also plan on making a Halloween hair bow. I'm already working on it, so that will probably be the next video really soon. And also, I don't know if I told you guys before, I do want to make a tutorial video with another crafter. We're gonna work on it really soon and post it here. So we will be posting that video here and also on her channel. That way you know another crafter, and she does a lot of different things, a lot of Halloween, and she's very creative. So I will make sure to post her link down below so you can subscribe to her channel. And we're gonna work on something really soon. So this is how it's looking so far. So now let's add more of the greenery. And as I'm working on the wreath, I add more of the magnolia leaves. So when you work on a wreath, you pretty much go and add as much as you think you need, and just go how you feel about the wreath until you really like it. I will be posting pictures of this wreath on my Instagram, so make sure to follow my Instagram so you can see the pictures. I will also remember to post the link of how I clean my grapevine wreath down below. So I will put the link of my social media, how to make this wreath, and the link of my, like I said, the crafter so you can find her on YouTube. Another thing, depending on where you live, whenever you place a wreath to your door, I don't know the weather of where you live or the sunlight, it can be outside, but make sure it's not really hot when it's outside, because remember you're using hot glue, and if it's really hot, it can melt. This glue is very strong, but I don't know, in some places the weather can be very extremely hot, or if it's outside too much during direct sunlight, the leaves may change color, or if you're using like a burlap or deco mesh, it can change a little bit of the color, the sun. And also try to clean your wreath especially when it's outside. Try to clean it as often as you can. So I want to say thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.